Hello everyone. Welcome to New Era Pathshala Education. My name is Nishtha and I'll be teaching chemistry on this platform. Please do subscribe this channel for more educational videos. So today our topic is chemical reactions and equations. So first of all, what do you mean by a chemical reaction? It is a process by which two or more substances react with each other to form a new substance with different properties. Means different property substances formed. For example, state is changed, color is changed, so some properties will be changed. There are two types of properties, physical and chemical properties. Physical properties means change in color, change in state. Chemical properties means change in any chemical reaction like change in temperature, change in products and gases evolution, etc. So how will you determine that a chemical reaction is taking place? So first is there must maybe change in state. Change in state means any solid is converted into liquid or any liquid is converted into gas. Change in color means the reactants which are combining or reacting are having different color and the product is having different color. Third is evolution of gas. Evolution of gas means any gas is evolved, means production of any gas during any chemical reaction. And the last one is change in temperature, means the temperature is increased or temperature is decreased. So these four are the changes we can observe during any chemical reaction. Next is chemical equation. Chemical equation. It is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, means when any chemical reaction is represented in the form of symbols or formulas. For example, oxygen symbol is O2. Symbol of carbon dioxide is CO2. These are the symbols. In any chemical equation, there are two things. One are reactants and other are products. Reactants are on left hand side and products are on right hand side. For example, magnesium is combining with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So these two are, magnesium and oxygen are reactants and magnesium oxide is the product. Now, chemical equation shows that the chemical reaction needs to be balanced. Balanced? What do you mean by a chemical equation that is balanced? Balanced chemical equation. It is the equation in which number of atoms on the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms on the product side. For example, in this you can see zinc is one atom in the reactant and in the product also only one atom. Hydrogen are two atoms, here also two atoms, sulfate and one is sulfate. So here the number of atoms on the left hand side, that is reactant side, are equal to the number of atoms on the right hand side, that is product side. Similarly, in this reaction also, 3 iron atoms are at reactant side and 3 are at products. Similarly, hydrogen and oxygen are also equal. So means these type of equations are called balanced chemical equation. Now, why do we need to balance chemical reaction? We have heard about law of conservation of mass, which says the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during any chemical reaction. That is, the mass of the reactant must be equal to the mass of product, and these two masses will be equal only when number of atoms are equal. So means, to follow the law of conservation of mass, we need to balance the chemical equations. Now, you will see in some reactions S is written in the bracket. S represent solid, AQ represent aqueous. Aqueous means when any substance is dissolved in water, we will say it is in aqueous state. Small l represent liquid state, and small g represent gas state. So these are the states. Now next is types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are basically of four types. Combination reaction means combination, combine, to combine, or jurna. When two or more substances combine together to form a single substance means that reaction is the combination reaction. It is of two types, exothermic and endothermic. Exo and endo, these two are having different meanings. Exothermic is divided into two parts. Exo means exit, means to release, bahar nikalna. Thermic means heat. Thermal energy means heat energy. So in the reaction in which heat is released coming out, that reaction is called exothermic reaction. And the reaction in which heat is absorbed, used, that reaction is called endothermic reaction. Second type of reaction is decomposition. Decompose means to break, तोड़ना, किसी चीज़ को टूटना. When any single substance break down into number of substances, it can be one, two or more, that type of reaction is called decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Displacement, any substance, any atom displaces another atom from its position. So means change in position, एक दूसरे की जगह बदलना, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, displacement reaction. और displace किसी को वही करेगा जो उससे ज़्यादा पावरफुल होएगा. So here the more powerful, the more active atom will displace the lower active atom. And the last type is double displacement reaction. Means two of the atoms are exchanging their positions. So that's why we will say double displacement reaction. So these were the types of chemical reactions. We will discuss other in next class. Thank you very much. Bye bye.